Introduce highlight features and overview summary of 2020 PowerArc 140ST 40 amp arcade stick lift start TIG welder, IGBT, dual voltage 110/220 volt. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. If you are looking for maximum flexibility and performance in a small utility class welder package, look no further than the PowerArc 140ST from Everlast. This tiny IGBT inverter welder features both stick and DC lift TIG capability. It comes with its own carry case and includes the stick torch with the cable and DINS style connector, gas valve TIG torch with cable and DINS connector, and the work clamp. The welding arc stability isn't sacrificed with this small unit. The arc quality is on the level of much larger commercial class machines. The welder features both auto-adaptive hot start and auto-adaptive arc force control in stick mode, and improves weldability in with hard-to-start welding electrodes and in situations where rod sticking can be a problem. One of the best features the PowerArc 140ST has to offer is the 120V/240 volts dual voltage capability, which allows the unit to go and weld virtually anywhere there is a clean power source available. Remember, the regulator is optional, so be sure to buy one of our gas regulators if you plan to use it for TIG. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.